Moncho Morigeria nigo Karajwa Gendreta Boroko ule wichiko State University College na wego na school cho bundi oze tiveta waroka ne ko murunga ni kende ko myane mona so kunyara ko moche serikali kubwatikana no kunyoro ko ibande byabe bagati abuna babere bako bwati aseka kitambe kone ngana boroko ne ko bate bire bune karakale baganda te ko robli asoko chiko State University asumuti nyoki anda bune college amune chinsemo chinde cho bundi cho school cho bundia ne ko bate bire bune karaboni ngabwati ibande eganto bate bire kira chiko bero ko ngubaro ko kunyara ko twara chilona ngane mono sensemelia HELB yibone takere batwale bibande ndikubanyare kubole serikali kanike nkwanga yerumurubiri ya sobwango kubatikana buna abana bangani ko bakurwa cinka cintaka nabo iko konyara kwendera na masomo abo ikabanyara ko twara chiloni cha HELB ekira abakonye ngaso konyara kwegendera ya sensemo ya masomo na naboni ko bate biruna anyege kumutinyo kenda bataratwara ibande byabande baboni ko bate biruna no batagende school University College kubatikana buna mbakonyara wakane school fire takere onye mbago chiwancherwa ko twara ibande elikonyara konyara chiloni anemone semelia ya HELB.
Is a delay of IDs coming, and as students we want to apply HELB scholarships, and most of us come from low families, and the HELB scholarship is the one going to help us. It's a challenge because I applied an ID on January and it's now almost 4 months too, and I've not gotten the ID. When we look at the HELB loans, the ID is the very best thing that you should have in applying the HELB loans. So
the ID is the problem we have right now. I tried to apply, but somehow the ID was the problem, the major problem.
An application of HELB, even the other time when we were applying for Gusii, it never came through such a network.